Hello friends, today we will learn about arrays. Arrays are the derived data types. We know about data types. So arrays are the collection of variables of same data type under one name. Let me explain you. Suppose I have declared an integer type variable like int a, and let's initialize its value with 10. So int a is equals to 10 here. Now in the memory location we will have an address whose name is a, and we have stored 10 on as the value in it. Now suppose I need another variable, so I have int b is equals to 20. So in the memory there will be an address, we call it b, and we have stored 20 in it. The address of a and b may not be adjacent, they will be far apart from each other. Suppose the address of variable a, address of this, suppose it is like 192056, and then the address of b variable will be something different like suppose we have 209452. So these are okay when we need a few variables, but suppose you are storing marks of a student in 6 subjects, then you will need 6 variables with 6 different names to store 6 values. All 6 variables will have different addresses. So by using arrays we group them together under the same name. So all 6 variable will now have same name and their addresses will be adjacent to each other. You do not need to declare 6 variables, you just have to declare one array with number of elements. So let me show you the syntax to declare an array, which is like we first have to write the data type, then the array name, and then in square brackets we have to write the size and the semicolon at the end. For example, int, which is the data type, then a, suppose this is the name of the array, then in square brackets I will write 10, which is the size of the array, or it can be like char ch, then 40. Okay, so here a is an array of integer type where a is the name of array, and this array is made with the combination of 10 variables. Similarly, I have also declared character type array whose name is ch, and it is the combination of 40 character variables. We will see how to use them later in the course. So now you know what are arrays and how to declare them. Now the memory used by the array is the algebraic sum of all its elements. If it's an array of integer type array of size 10, then it will require 20 bytes of memory, because we know that a variable of integer type holds 2 bytes of memory, and we have an array of 10 variables, so 2 multiply 10, which is equals to 20 bytes. Now let's see various types of array, and there are 3 types of array possible in C language. They are one dimensional arrays, then we have 2 dimensional arrays, and then we have multi-dimensional arrays. The example that I have shown you here is the example of the one-dimensional array, which has only one subscript. We call this square part, we have this square part as the subscript. So the one-dimensional array has only one subscript where we used to write the size of the array, as we have 10 as the subscript or size of the array. So later we will see two-dimensional arrays and multi-dimensional arrays. We have some more things to learn in one-dimensional array. Also, we have to create a sample program of one-dimensional array to learn it better. All that we will do in the next video. So stay tuned. I will see you in the next video class. Thank you.